I got back from Bowling Green from Pitt from Michigan State, and I also got back from Dayton.
You got accepted to all of them.
Yeah, all three AP Bio, AP Chem, and AP Calculus AB.
Gosh, all the stems at that time, huh?
The structure of my APUSH class wasn't helpful for me. The structure of the exam.
That was what, 2024? The grading was pretty tough on APUSH, right? What did you end up getting on your APUS history exam?
I'm pretty sure it was a 4. Dayton gave me a scholarship of 33K.
Dayton gave you 33 a year. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. It's been a while.
Yeah,
How's senior year?
I'm actually pretty good.
Yeah, not stressful?
Yeah, it's actually one of my better years, I think.
Okay, that's good. Should ease up here as we get flowing here. So
Yeah.
after we get their application. So yeah, I just wanted to catch up with you. Your dad was kind of filling me in, but I kind of wanted to walk through your journey and just kind of like document it because it is pretty incredible what you've done already. And we're just looking forward to kind of capturing that success. Is that cool?
Yeah. Hmm.
So, Samiksha, when you started with us, when did you start 2 years ago with us?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Okay,
Mhm.
as a sophomore, right?
Yeah. Hmm.
And that was originally for help with AP courses, right?
Yeah. Mhm.
Which one did we help with?
APUSH.
APUS history?
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay, so you came to us for APUS history help. Do you remember like why you were looking for help at that time?
I think it's because I was struggling in my class. Personally, my grades were not as well because like it's I guess the structure of my push class wasn't like that helpful for me, and I was like a little confused about how the questions were like, how the structure of the exam, kind of like that. So I came here to help improve about how I can answer the questions so I
Okay.
can prepare for the AP test.
So that was probably one of the first times you actually struggled academically, right? Was an AP class. Was that your first AP class?
That was my second,
Okay.
but I felt like in freshman year I was a little bit more prepared.
Okay.
Mhm.
So just the rigor of AP. And that was what, 2024?
I think so. Yeah.
Sophomore.
Mhm.
Okay. Because that was still when the grading was pretty tough on APUSH, right? It was really, really hard to get us a high score. And what did you end up getting on your APUS history exam?
I'm pretty sure it was a 4.
Okay. Still
Mhm.
really, really good. Top 25%. Okay.
Mhm.
And then you decided to come back with us for junior year, correct?
Yes. Mhm.
And so we helped you with what AP courses then?
Both, I mean, all three, AP Bio, AP Chem, and AP Calculus AB.
Gosh, all the stems at that time, huh?
Mhm.
And how'd you do on those exams?
Actually, pretty good. Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we just continue the success. And then you decided to just hop in and just continue with the college admissions process, right?
Yeah. Mhm.
So we started with that. Um, we started with a little late, like summer, right? You jumped in kind of like through the summer process.
Yeah.
Okay. So I know when I talked to your dad, we were looking at just kind of staying at some top schools locally and a little and potentially, neighboring states as well. Ohio State is the dream school, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. So far we've heard back from a bunch of schools so far. What ones were they?
I got back from Bowling Green. I got back from Pitt. I got back from what was it? I also got back from Michigan State, and I also got back from Dayton.
You got accepted to all of them.
Yeah. Mhm.
It's amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you.
But you not only got accepted to them, did you not get into the honors colleges?
So far I'm still applying. Like honors is separate for Bowling Green,
Hmm.
but Pitt has accepted me to their honors college.
That's
And
unbelievable.
yeah.
That's great. I heard you're coming to Pitt to tour it.
Yeah.
So you got accepted before even touring it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. You like the city?
I mean, I've been in the city for a bit due to competitions and sports, and I pretty much liked it. Yeah.
Okay, great. And I'm gonna try to link up with you and your dad at some point, just buy you guys lunch or dinner or something like that.
Yeah.
Uh that's awesome. Okay. But we're still, if we get into Ohio State, that's where you're gonna end up.
Yeah, it's probably my number one.
I gotcha. How far are you close to Ohio State?
The main campus, I would say, is roughly 20 minutes from my house.
I gotcha. Very convenient. Okay, cool. So you got into Pitt Honors College, and you just been working with Sema, your college coach, the whole time. How has that been?
Actually, pretty well. She has helped me a lot in my college apps, and I felt like I was able to actually complete them and know what to do. With
Yeah,
her, thankfully, I was able to ask a lot of questions, and it honestly helped me a lot.
awesome. So that kind of key guidance during the senior year really, really did lock in and help.
Yeah.
Cool. How about did you get any help from essay support as well?
Oh yes, definitely. I'd say writing is probably like really professionally and correct is probably one of my weaker points. And I felt like I was able to create like a basis in writing, and with her I was able to create a more professionally done and more without errors. And I felt that was actually really helpful.
Okay, great. And so basically combination of both the strategic application guidance and the essay guidance really kind of like made this easier process for you.
Yeah, definitely.
How have your parents felt really really impressed with it so far too in terms of just being a little bit more stress free?
Yeah, they don't have to be worried about me like it's like you have to do your essay, correct it now. I felt like I already got it done pretty smoothly.
Got it. Okay, cool. And then when are we projected to hear back from Ohio State?
Ohio State is not going to release mine till January,
I gotcha. Okay.
near the end
Well,
of January.
you already have good indicators with Michigan State, with Pitt. Those are some really good indicators that you're on track there. And but that's not all I hear the good news. You also got something from these schools as well.
Yeah. I
Well,
gotten some scholarships as well. I mean, I don't know about Bowling Green and Pitt. Pitt says that they will give a scholarship, but it's they're still deciding it due to like they're still accepting people, and
right.
they said once they see everyone is, then they'll decide my scholarship. But they said they will give one. But in Michigan State, they gave me a primary scholarship of about 12K, pretty sure.
Okay.
And Dayton gave me a scholarship of 33K.
A year?
Yeah.
Dayton gave you 33 a year.
Yeah.
So that's $132,000 scholarship. Yeah. That's a lot. We don't add it up because they okay, and then that's amazing. And then Michigan State. Well, your dad said you got like a $19,000 scholarship. Was that combined with the books as well?
I'm pretty sure, yeah.
So
Mhm.
that 19 is actually 76,000.
Oh.
So congratulations. Yeah, and Pitt will definitely um make it enticing to go there. So
Mhm.
that's fantastic. So college, I mean, you're only not only getting to some top schools that you applied to, you're also getting a lot of aid in the way as well.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Okay. Well, congratulations on your success. We're anticipating we got to check back in with you in January. I do want to catch up with you when you come here, but anything you want to say like to your essay coach, to Coach Sema in a way of like just or any of your AP coaches just generally about how we've supported you over the years.
I would say that what they'd been doing is actually very helpful. I was originally like very lost, and I thought that like they helped me like comprehend the stuff like a lot much easier, and I want to thank them for that. And it made me like set a basis. It made me more like I don't know, like more set into like the information, not just memorizing. That's one thing. And I felt that I'm able to understand and move forward with more complex like problems and some things like that. And I felt that I've just been improving a lot better thanks to them.
That's awesome. I'm so proud of you. You're like you were like this shy little you were a shy, timid girl when we started working together. Remember that 10 years? You're barely talking. You've like grown up. I can't believe
Yeah.
it. Awesome. Wow. Okay. Well, let's finish the year off strong. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. I appreciate you, Samiksha. So let's stay in touch and yeah, looking forward to seeing all the success you're gonna bring.
All right. Thank you so
I
much for
appreciate it.
having me. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for helping me.
Oh, my pleasure. Our pleasure. All right.
All
Thank
right.
you. Have a
Thank
good one.
you. See
Bye.
you. Bye.